Hi players, now we will discuss about moving the pieces. Subject is moving pieces. First we should start with king. It can move only one square on its file, rank, diagonal. Already we discussed in the last class what is called file and what is called rank and what is called diagonal. Once you see, this is called file, this is called rank, this is called diagonal. Okay, vertical lines are called files, horizontal lines called ranks, cross lines are called diagonals. King can move only one step on its file, rank, diagonal. File, rank, diagonal. Same like the black king also same. File, rank, diagonal. This is the king moves. It can move only one square from its position. Okay, let me play once on the board, or like this. Okay, so like this black king also same. Now I'll change the position. Suppose this king is in the corner, this king is in the center. See, it can move only one step, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, as well as black king. Like this, like this, like this. Only 3 squares to go, because black king is standing in the corner of the board. Now we will discuss about the rook. We should always keep kings in the board. We should not remove the kings. Look at this. How does rook can move? It can move any number of squares on its file and rank. This is the direction to move the rook. Rook can move file and rank. Okay. Suppose I'll give you another one. Same rook standing on the another edge. Now see, it can move like this. Like this. Okay. Suppose the same rook standing on here. Same rook standing on here. Suppose example, the rook is here. This rook can move like this, like this, like this, but it cannot move here to here, because this is self-occupied piece. So rook cannot move to h1 because it is self-occupied coin. It cannot move. Suppose the same situation here, see, suppose the enemy coin anything standing here. Now see how does it can move, like this, and capture this. This is the last square. These two should not move. These yellow squares rook cannot move. These yellow squares rook cannot move. This is the last square to capture and stop. Like this. It cannot go to these two squares. Okay. This is the rook moves. Now the bishop moves. How does bishop can move? It can move diagonal. From its position it can move number of squares only on diagonal, like this. Okay, suppose you have two colored bishops, one is moving on only white squares, another moving on only black squares. I'll show you. See the position. This is moving only on light squares, and this is moving on only dark squares. See the bishops moving. This is the way to move the bishops. Okay. Next, knight. See, knight can move L shape. On file, it can move two squares, but occupying the neighboring square. See, 1, 2, and occupying the neighboring square. This is the knight way to move. And as well as same here. Okay, as well as same here, 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 and here. Like this it can move. As well as black knight. See, here, 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 and here. This is a knight who moves L shape. From its position, it can move two squares ahead on its file and occupying the neighboring square. Okay, practice each and every one 10 times. Now the last and most powerful piece, that is queen. See, white queen, it can move any number of square on file, rank, and as well as diagonal. File, rank, diagonal. Queen combines the merit of rook and bishop. Look at this black queen. Diagonal, file. Remember everybody, file, rank and diagonal, very important. Basic theory. So queen is the most powerful piece on the board. Now look at this. These two pieces are called, let me arrange on the board first. These two pieces are called minor pieces. These two pieces are called major pieces. Major and a big one. So first strongest piece is queen, next strongest piece is rook, and bishop and knight equal pieces, equal power, each having equal power, minor pieces. So but very important piece is king. Okay, so these are the moving pieces and all. So everybody practice every coin, keep board empty and put one coin on the board and practice 10 times. King, rook, bishop, knight, queen.